Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're going to make YouTube TV the app that launches when your LG TV wakes. First, update WebOS, install and sign into YouTube TV, and confirm it runs. Once done, open the YouTube TV app and navigate to a channel or guide. Leave it active. This step forces the system to treat it as the last used app. Make sure apps are not closed manually. Do these actions now so the TV remembers your last app on next power cycle. Next, change the startup behavior so the TV reopens the last used app. Go to Settings, then General or Power/Startup options. Locate the startup preference and select Start with Last App or Resume Apps. Once set, the TV will load whatever app was active when you turned it off. Make sure you set that while YouTube TV is running in the foreground. This is the reliable workaround, because LG does not offer a dedicated. Finally, verify the change. Open YouTube TV, then power off using the remote and power it back on. If YouTube TV returns, you're done. If it doesn't, make sure no other app was active and repeat the process. Update firmware and close background apps before shutdown. If problems persist, reboot the TV, check for WebOS updates, and as a last resort, perform a factory reset, only after backing up settings. This approach is the practical only way workaround on many LG models.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.